Okay, let's take a look at this. I know there's also things I could improve on it that I'd like to do. I don't know how long this is going to take. I know I'm not going to finish it today. I'm only doing a little bit. That's definitely going to need tweezers for this. And I think this one I need the really thin ones. Which ones are my thin ones? I think they're these ones here. Oh yeah, they're sharp. Oh, here's the board. This thing right here. I gotta cut it open. Oh boy, this looks very fun to solder. Oh my god. I'm not sure why I jumped for this one. It's cool. Hopefully you get to see the end of it. There are some laser cut things on here. They give you a stick of hot glue. Got a coil. A motor in here. And a remote. I don't think I need a remote yet. This is what I'm interested in. Stand. Now this is what I don't like. I don't like how it wants you just to put the coil right there. Let's take a look at this. I'm very curious now. Because I wonder if I could design something even better than this. I really want to redesign this. This is pretty bad, the stand. Because I bet I can make it even better. Because I don't want to hot glue this coil down. Let's see, the motor goes in like that. I don't even know why they use this 4 in the center. Does it even use the 4 in the center? It does not. So what I could do... Wow. So many whole options. I do the simpler route, redesign this, make it 3D printable. I'll just measure out all these holes and all that. I think I will ignore the LEDs for now. I'm going to focus on the more critical spots here. Let's get started with this. This is going to be very fun. I'm not sure how long this is going to be. Oh. I guess I'll go this very corner one first. That'll be a good test. I'm going to start, see if I could at least tin one pad. Gosh, this is something. Here we go. Did that go on? I can't tell. Oh shoot, I gotta pay attention to polarity too now. Let's see. No, so the chance of the thing working is like 50% for me at this point. If I somehow manage to get this soldered up. Here we go. There we go. I think that's better. Ah, I see. I made a mistake. That top one is not supposed to be there. Okay, this is unfortunate. We just wasted one. I gotta heat it up. Okay, it's gone. Let's flip the board upside down. Okay, we are soldering that thing. I should have soldered the other side. Yeah, or else that happens. I'm gonna go and see if I can improve this base, because looking at the instructions, it makes you want to do some sketchy stuff on here that I don't want to do. Specifically, how this coil goes on. They just want you the hot fluid in place. And if I look at this, I don't really want to do that. So I want to design a better base that will retain this mechanically. So I have my calipers here to take measurements. All right, I'm gonna go copy this pattern here. I don't think I need all these holes. I think I only need the 3 here, and then maybe one for the coil wire here. So let's do that one. I have overcomplicated this simple plate here. Well, I don't even know if it's gonna fit the things I want. I still need to make the base art too. But let me see if this leaves a print. So I did try these two. I did learn a couple things. Definitely the order matters. Like I tried soldering this first, but I ended up tinning these as an accident. So I'm gonna start with the bottom ones first, and then I'll go with the top. Let's see how well this coil is gonna fit. Yeah, it's not going in easily. I gotta change tolerances a bit. Okay, let's change this. Oh shoot, I should have tested this. Oh, never mind, I got it right. The motor's gonna fit. LED, shoot. The LED is fine. Look at that. Well, LED fits nicely, standoffs fit perfectly as well. Yeah, I'm probably gonna finish this section off stream. I'm gonna save the power converter thing for later on stream. On stream I made this. Designed it, found a flaw, and then reprinted it. I did find another one. The issue is that the screws included on here are countersunk. It's not gonna be flush with the plastic part here, so I need to countersink this. All right, let's go and design the base of this thing now. All right, this should be nice. First step, we install this. We line up our hole specifically there. See how lined up? Kind of. It's one in. And that seems to be really flush. I don't feel a bump at all. If I install this other one, yeah, that's in there. That seems really good. Let me go pull this coil out, and then we will install it onto this one. That works really nice. Let's go. I'm gonna throw that down here so it stays in place. Yeah, seems pretty good. See, green towards the right. Yep. All right. Let's see. I will not be needing this. Let's grab all of these. I need a driver for that. Bingo, found it. Okay, now this should be a lot more flush. Oh, perfect. And I could screw this on. And look at that, it was the right thread. That installed, we can go install this. Yeah, that seems to be working. Kind of. Kinda wish I could wiggle this a bit better. Let's see, can I wiggle it even further? Alright, I'll just put the nylon in there. This looks so much nicer, I think. So much more rigid too. Also, you get more surface here, so you don't. And if I need to, I'll put some sort of grip thing on the end or on the back. Look at that. It's coming together. Let's get these screws in place. Because these are the counterweights, which I think they kind of suck. I'll be honest. Let's see if it works, which I doubt. Now, is it actually balanced? I don't know. Okay, let's see if it works. Moment of truth. Let's have to turn off the lights. Because hey, if it catches fire, that'll be spectacular. Also, we got a remote. Will the remote work? Yeah, moment of truth. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's working, but it's spinning in place, kind of. This thing's actually working. I need to secure this. It's getting okay. Let's go and find a way to mount this further. So that does. Oh. Oh, we have an LED not working on this one. Which one is it? Wow. Okay. Yeah, LED seems to be working now. Look at that. A bit better. See, can we lower this even more? We're making that worse. 25. Oh, that looks so good. Look at that. 25 frames per second. Perfect. Oh. Okay. Let's mess with the modes again. The text mode, date and time. That's not working. This one. Okay, the still works fine. The art is working. I still don't know why there's a foot there. Interesting. Okay, I have found more modes. Oh no, this is just keep going. Was this the same one? No, it is going more. Okay, that's pretty neat. This is stuff I want to do in the future. More stuff like this. Maybe even more. There's a lot more I want to do. But this is just a little bit of what I'd like to do in the future. So, hope you've enjoyed. And I think I'll call it for here.